Okay, we're here with Marissa. She's ready to start her 6-week challenge in Fontana. How do you feel right now? Excited? You look excited. Don't be nervous. Let's go ahead. I'm going to turn on the scale. When it goes to 0, you can go ahead and step on. Today she's weighing in at 159.6. You ready to be 20 pounds lighter?
Yes. So we have Marissa here, just completed her challenge, and she's looking incredible. How do you feel?
Amazing.
Ready to
jump on the scale?
Yes.
I'm ready.
You're ready. Okay, we started 159.6, and let's see, 134.6 for a total 21 pounds.